Times most traders mark this as a break of structure. They call it a break of structure, but I call it some traders call it break of structure, but I call it weak low. Why here is an up, why here is a strong high, and here is a weak low? Because hi guys, this is Njamba and welcome to my YouTube channel. I will be talking about a disciplined trader is a rich trader, and I'll be backing this up with some powerful setups that I've been looking out for and how you can trade Euro USD joining them with DXY. These are two secrets of trading the Euro USD. Now, just subscribe to this YouTube channel if you're new to the channel, so that you would be the first to get notified whenever I drop another video on this channel. And thank you so much for the subscription and even the like, and please leave a comment on what you've learned from the video. Thank you. Without wasting much time, let's dive right into it. Okay, so as you can see here, this is DXY, which is the US dollar index. Based on fundamentals and what we've seen the market has been going down for a while now, right? Since from last year 2025, now we're in 2026, we see a very huge drop in the market, which we can see from the price range from this particular level from 99 dropping down to 95, and then from there price bounce back to another breakout block here, but we can see that there is a bit resistance at the top here, which giving us a strong low. Now this is just a daily time frame breakdown. Now let's go down to 4-hour time frame so I can show you that this is why the US would still lose its power and the euro would continue going up. Okay, so these are simple patterns that I follow and I trade. Now when we are trading, we know that this is market structure. This is how market structure looks like. We have something like this. We know what this looks like. Anytime we see something like this, it's saying that we are on a downtrend. Okay, on a downtrend. Now, why is it a downtrend? Let's go dive deep down into it. Now here we call this a strong high. Can anyone tell me in the comment section why we call this a strong high? And then this is called weak low. Why is this called weak low? Most of the times, most traders mark this as a break of structure. They call it a break of structure, but I call it some traders call it break of structure, but I call it weak low. Why here is an up, why here is a strong high, and here is a weak low? Because this market form a new high here, there's no price, does not take it out, it creates another high again, making it another weak low, and then this becomes weak low, this becomes strong low, because it keeps breaking it. Anytime the market creates a strong high, it breaks the weak low. That's how the pattern continues. But now in this case, when you have something like this now, this is a weak low here, this is a weak low here, right? This is a weak low, and price didn't take out the weak low, it bounced back, but it didn't take out, it takes out this particular high, this strong high, making it a weak high, right? So yet we have no, until this price has been taken down, until this place has been taken down, we still have a confirmation that we are still on a downtrend. We are still on a down until this place has been taken down twice, right? Twice, then we can see that there is a change of trend. Why am I explaining this? Let's come to DXY. Now on this pattern, you can see the exact thing I explained, how market has been selling, how market has been selling. Now, this is a weak low here. There is a weak low here, which you can see clearly that price has taken it, and we're still on the downtrend, right? We're still on the downtrend right here. But now this is another weak low here because we're expecting market to swap it down. It has not yet breaking this. This is the last high here. Price hasn't taken this out for us to confirm that our trend is being changed. We can only see an internal structure if we go on the 15-minute time frame, which still hasn't taken this out, and we have a strong low here which has not been taken. And what are we expecting next week? Price come into this area. Price come to this area, right? Price come to this area. Take out all the liquidity here and swap down to this level. This is what we are seeing based on the news that is happening around the world right now. What is happening is the war between US and Iran is going to make dollar to go down because people are losing their faith in the dollar and they are going for gold, and that is why gold is going to be buying. Gold, you will see a very huge gap in the market because we can see an internal buy from here. You can see an internal sell from here. Sorry, you can see an internal sell from here. So we can see an internal sell from this point right there. And now let's go to Euro USD and look at what will be happening. So clearly I've explained that on DXY, if market continue buying and buying and buying. Now let's go to daily time frame. What are we seeing here? This is a clear uptrend, right? We can see that this is a clear uptrend. Now we have our weak high here, which is gonna be taken out just as the weak low we have down there. Then we have some internal structure that has been taken out, but this is the main move, right? If we turn this chart to line, okay, you can see how this market looks like right now. What we're expecting market is to continue buying from this level. Still, we can see market to continue buying to the upside. What is happening is that the euro is going to gain strength and the dollar is weakening. So anytime the bar, which is euro, is the strongest, it makes the dollar go weak, and that causes a buy in their market. That causes a bullish. That causes a going up in their market. And anytime there is the dollar is getting stronger, we see that the market has been crashing. So to tell you that euro has been going on an uptrend because the dollar has not yet getting its strength. So guys, take advantage of this knowledge and you see how your trading change. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, like, and drop a comment section. I'll drop our link, the Telegram link, in the description, so you can join our trading community. And thank you for watching.